Hey Bulldogs, Chris Bryant here. Welcome to today's CCNA Video Pop Quiz for the 200-301 exam course, the latest version. And we are going to get right to today's question. I got a little bit of a command reference for you today as well, so if you know the answer to the question, stick around. You just enabled OSPF on a fast Ethernet interface. What is that interface's default OSPF priority? Is it 255, 0, 1, there isn't one, 19, or 100? Quite a range of values today. You just enabled OSPF on a fast Ethernet interface. What is that interface's default priority? If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video because I'm going to show you the answer, and the answer is 1. Fast Ethernet here is a little bit of a red herring because regardless of what the speed of the interface is, when you enable OSPF on an interface, the default priority is going to be 1. Doesn't matter if it's a loopback, serial, fast Ethernet, gig Ethernet, doesn't matter. Now the cost is a different story. The cost is dependent on speed, but as far as the priority goes, that is always going to be 1. One way you can check that out is to run, slightly off the screen, show IP OSPF interface. Now you can follow this with the interface name. The reason that I put it up here on the board instead of showing you live equipment is that it gives us about 40 lines of info, and I want to show you where the priority is. Now if you run show IP OSPF interface by itself like I did here, what that does is it gives you the OSPF information for every OSPF enabled interface on the router or switch. Maybe you don't want that. Maybe you just want it for one particular interface. So I could have followed it with fast Ethernet 00. But the really important part here is that near the top, I did edit it just a tad, but near the top you're going to see after the state, which in this case the state is the BDR, so we know that this is the backup designated router for that particular segment, then the priority will be listed there. And the priority here again is at the default of 1. Thanks for taking today's video pop quiz. I will see you tomorrow with a new quiz, and starting the week of June 1st, get the summer started. We're going to keep putting these pop quizzes up every day, but we will also have video practice exams, which are multiple questions in one video, and we'll be bringing back enunciation. We will be bringing back the 5-minute video boot camps as well. So a big summer coming up here at TBA, and thanks for joining us, and thank you for making my work part of your success story.